A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start fourth lecture of chapter 11 conic section. So class, in previous lecture I have discussed all the topics related to conic section. I have discussed parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, circles. So in today lecture I will start with some standard questions related to parabola. So let us start with the questions. Now question number 1 is, find the equation of parabola find the equation of parabola whose focus is at 0, 0. Whose focus is at 0, 0. And whose directrix is the straight line directrix is the straight line 3x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Three x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is 3x minus 4y. 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is the equation of directrix and this is the point focus. Now we are going to solve these questions. So see the solution. First of all, I will draw the figure. Given focus, that is 0, 0, and equation of directrix. Equation of directrix, that is 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now suppose you will draw this graph. So see the axis. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. And now this is the point origin. This is the point origin. And first of all, I will draw this line, means directrix. So when you will convert in an intercept form, so what you will get the result? Result you will get minus 3x plus 4y is equal to 2. This implies we can write, and this one is minus or x upon minus 2 by 3 plus y upon 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So x intercept is 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 and y intercept is 1 by 2. So you will get the equations. X intercept is minus 2 by 3. Suppose this is minus 1, this is minus 2 and this is 1 by 2. So this type of line you will get. This is the directrix. This is the equation of directrix. Now this is the focus, and now axis of parabola is always perpendicular to the directrix. So this is the axis of parabola. Axis of parabola. See, Now you know this is the point focus and this is the axis of parabola and this is the directrix. Now parabola will be passes through the line between or points between focus and intersection point of axis and directrix. Parabola will be the shape of this curve. And now we have to calculate its equation. So you will consider any variable points P having coordinates x, y, and you will draw the perpendicular from P to directrix. This is the perpendicular, consider PM, and this is the point, consider this is S, this is focus. Now from figure we can write say according to definition of parabola, according to or since by the definition of parabola, PS upon PM result is 1. This is E, you know. This is E. Now PS distance will be equal to PM and PS distance will be, this is x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to PM. PM is the length of perpendicular drawn from P on x-axis on the line. This is the line 3x plus 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this term will be equal to 3x minus 4y plus 2 whole upon root over 3 square 9 plus 4 square 16, result is 5. And when you will square both the side, when you will squaring both the sides, so result you will get x square plus y square is equal to, this is result, 5 means 25, 25 will be in left hand side, and this expression will be 3x minus 4y plus 2 whole square. Now a plus b plus c whole square. So this is our calculation and we can calculate easily. So calculation will be this is 25 x square plus y square is equal to 3x. You know 3x means 9x square, a square plus b square means 16y square plus c square, a square plus b square plus c square means result is plus 2 means plus 4, and a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab result is, now result will be 3 into 4, 12, 12 2s are 24 means minus 24xy, minus 24xy, and now plus 12x, and now this is minus 16y, minus 16y. Now calculation means 25x square minus 9x square, result will be 16x square, plus 25y square minus 16, result will be 9y square, is equal to or plus 24xy minus 12x plus 16y minus 4 is equal to 0. This is our equation. See, 16x square plus 9y square plus 24xy minus 12x plus 16y minus 4 is equal to 0 is the required equation of parabola whose focus is 0, 0 and directrix 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of parabola. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is related to ellipse. Now see, now question number 1 is, or the question related to ellipse is, find the equation of ellipse. Find the equation of ellipse whose focus, or equation of ellipse with focus at 1, 1. With focus at 1, 1. Focus at 1, 1 and eccentricity and directrix. Eccentricity and directrix is 1/2 and x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 respectively. Now in this question, what is given? First of all, we have to see the given equation of directrix and focus is given. So now, first of all, I will draw the axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and now directrix is the line x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0, and focus is 1, 1. 1, 1 is the point lies in first quadrant. This is 1, 1, and x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0, means this will be minus x plus y is equal to 3. Minus x plus y is equal to 3 means this line cuts negative x and negative y at the point minus 3, 0 and 0, 3. And now this is the point focus. And you will see focus lies on the axis of ellipse. So you have to draw the line perpendicular to the directrix. So this will be the axis of ellipse. This is the axis of ellipse. This is 1, 1. This is the focus. And this is the directrix. And now between focus and directrix, curve will pass. So through this midpoint, curve will pass. So we have to find this equation. Now this is the focus. Suppose this is the point P. This is S and this is M. Now see the solution according to question. Eccentricity, that is E is equal to 1 by 2, this is given. Means PS upon PM result is 1 by 2. And PS result is, you can calculate by using distance formula. This is the variable point P having coordinates x, y. Now PS distance will be x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square in square root. A is equal to, we can write 2 times, that is PM, and PM length is distance of a point from a given line. So this expression will be x minus y plus 3 whole upon root 2. And now we have to squaring both the sides. So what you will get the result? After calculation you will get the result. This is 4 times x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square within curly brackets is equal to, this is a plus b plus c whole square, means x square plus y square plus 9 minus 2xy minus 6y plus 6x whole upon 2, means this will be 8. Now see what will be the calculation. See, now we can write 8x square means 8 times in curly bracket x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 2 is equal to, this is result x square plus y square plus 9 minus 2xy minus 6y plus 6x. And after calculation at x square minus x square, result will be 7x square, and plus 8y square minus y square will be plus 7y square minus 16x minus 6, result will be 22x. And now minus 16y plus 6y, result will be minus 10y. See, and now plus 16 minus 9, result will be 7 is equal to 0. Now this is the standard or required equation of ellipse. Answer is 7x square plus 7y square plus 2xy. This will be plus 2xy also here. So this is plus 2xy minus 22x plus 10y plus 7. Now answer is 7x square plus 7y square plus 2xy minus 22x minus 10y. This will be minus 10y because of minus 16y and plus 10y, 6y. Result will be minus 10y, and now plus 7 will be equal to 0. This is the required equation of ellipse. required equation of ellipse whose focus is 1, 1 and directrix is x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 with eccentricity one by 2. Now this is our answer. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is, find the focus and directrix of the hyperbola. Find the focus and directrix of the hyperbola. Now question is, find the focus and directrix of the hyperbola whose equation is 9x square minus 16y square is equal to 1. 44. So see the solution. Now given equation of hyperbola, that is 9x square minus 16y square is equal to 144. Now this hyperbola equation we can write x square upon or 9x square minus 16y square is equal to 144. This implies this parabola, hyperbola, we can write x square by 9, 16 minus y square by 9 is equal to 1. When you will take LCM, you will get the same value, and this is the transverse hyperbola. Represent the transverse hyperbola. Represent the transverse hyperbola. Form of x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1, where a square is equal to 16. This implies a is equal to 4, and b square is equal to 9. This implies b is equal to 3. Now this is the value of a and b. Now you can find out eccentricity. So b square is equal to a square in bracket e square minus 1 is the relation. So b square result is 9 is equal to 16 in bracket e square minus 1. This implies we can calculate e square is equal to 9 by 16 plus 1. E square is equal to 9 by 16 plus 1, and the result will be 25 by 16. Now result will be 5 by 4. 25 by 16 means eccentricity is 5 by 4. You can see eccentricity we can write here. Eccentricity, see, E is equal to 5 by 4. See, now you know focus, that is plus minus a comma 0 is here. Now this coordinates will be, we can write a into e A result is 4, E result is 5 by 4. So A into E result is 5, 0. And now directrix. Directrix means equation of directrix, you know. Its equation of directrix. Equation of directrix, what we can write? In case, you know, equation of directrix, that is x is equal to plus minus a by e. Now this when we can write x is equal to a by e means a is 4 and by e means this is 5 by 4. So 4 upon 5 by 4. What we can write? 4 upon 5 by 4 means 16 by 5. 16 by 5. Now this one we can write plus minus 16 by 5. Now this is the answer. See, now this is totally completed.